Ayo idija lagi tida leniska hi'a nustei tegatoei ani katua ani yoi.
Cherokee Nation has always been a forward and progressive thinking tribe for the sake and benefit of our people, our beautiful and strong people who are so resilient. We developed the first tribal syllabary and published the first tribal newspaper. Now, the Cherokee Nation will become the first tribe in the nation to have a tribal public health system that will be accredited by the Public Health Accreditation Board. Just like our ancestors, we take on challenges with determination and passion. It is our responsibility to look after our tribe and do what's best for our people. Accreditation is a stepping stone for our tribe as we take the lead in public health among Native nations. Together, we can improve the life, health, and well-being of our people. In the same spirit as our ancestors, together, we can keep our tribe strong. What is accreditation? Accreditation is both a status and a process. As a status, accreditation provides public notification that our tribal public health system meets the standards of quality set forth by the Public Health Accreditation Board, that our tribal public health system is committed to self-study and external review by one's peers in seeking not only to meet standards, but also to continuously seek ways in which to enhance quality. The standards adhere to the 10 essential services of public health, which can be summarized by 3 core functions: assessment, policy, assurance. Actually, the steps found in the accreditation process are not necessarily new to our Cherokee people when you consider how our ancestors would make sure that tribal members efficiently used resources and made the best quality tools, weapons, or baskets for the purpose of protecting and sustaining our way of life. Why is accreditation of our tribal public health system needed? Because of forced removal, we have had to assimilate to a new way of life. Our diets changed and we became less active. We are now facing high rates of obesity, a precursor to many types of chronic diseases, causing our people to suffer high morbidity and mortality rates, which are all preventable. An alarming fact is that our children's generation is projected to be the first generation to live a shorter lifespan than their parents due to unhealthy living, poor diet, and lack of physical fitness. We no longer have the luxury of thinking about how we are going to fix things. We must act now. Our youth and the future of our tribe are depending on us. What projects are underway because of our accreditation efforts? We are thankful for the external research, data collection, analysis, and reporting that have occurred to date. It is, however, important that we start taking the initiative to do this work ourselves. For Cherokee, by Cherokee. This will enable us to accurately describe our own statuses, identify our needs and priorities, and develop our own plans and actions. Ongoing projects include completing a tribal health assessment for data collection, developing a tribal health improvement plan, and creating a tribal public health strategic plan. All these activities will continuously guide our tribal public health efforts for years to come. What benefits will the tribe and our people receive from Cherokee Nation's tribal public health system achieving accreditation? Our ancestors learned the importance of being innovative and efficient with the limited resources they had after our forced removal. We too must do this as we are living in difficult economic times. Public health prevention efforts will save Cherokee Nation money. Once we begin emphasizing and putting more of our resources into preventative care, public health efforts, the expenditures we spend on clinical, pharmaceutical, and contract health will substantially decline. Not only will we save our tribe money, but also there is excellent potential for Cherokee Nation to receive greater opportunities of funding and technical assistance from various government health agencies and health institutes with accreditation. Overall, the most important benefit of accrediting our tribal public health system is to improve the health, well-being, and lives of our Cherokee people, the most valuable asset of our tribe.